The Ultra-link AC dual-band Wi-Fi WAN router is designed for a small office, internet cafe, or large house. It is 802.11 AC compliant and delivers a wireless rate of up to 1,200 megabytes per second. It features an external power amplifier and 4 high-gain antennas, which enable superior wireless coverage and quality Wi-Fi connections. The packaging should include one wireless router, one power adapter, one Ethernet cable, and one install guide. Switch off your main modem. Connect your router to a power source using the power adapter included. Connect the modem to the WAN port of your Ultra-link router using the Ethernet cable included. Now switch on your modem and router. Connect your router to your laptop or desktop using an alternative Ethernet cable. The corresponding LED indicators will switch on. Go to the web browser and type in the web address provided. Set the related parameters. PPPoE is used as an example here. If you are not sure which option to select, contact your internet service provider. Connect your device to the router using the SSID and password provided on the product label.